Hello everyone, we are given with a question to find leaders of an array. First let us understand what is leader of an array. An element is called as leader if there exists no element greater to it on the RHS. Now is 25 a leader? Yes, because there exists no element greater than 25 on the RHS. Is 18 a leader? No, because there exists an element greater than 18 on the RHS which happens to be 21 wherever it appears. It may not be immediate neighbor, 21 might be anywhere else. Therefore, 21 is not a leader. Similarly, 21 is leader because there exists no element greater to it on the RHS of 21. Therefore, 21 is leader. Similarly, 14 is leader because 14 is greater than 11, 13 and 2. Now, 11 is not a leader because there exists an element greater than 11 on the RHS. 13 is leader because there exists no element greater than 13 on the RHS. And the rightmost element is always a leader. Now, what is the expected time complexity to solve this? It is big O n, and this question is asked in PayU, Samsung and Amazon. Let us see how do we solve this. Now, this is the array given where we need to identify the leaders of the array. Now, what is leader of the array? An element is called as leader if there exists no element greater to it on the RHS. And we know that rightmost element is always the leader. To understand this, say for example, there are three sections. Let us call this as section A, section B and section C of class 2. Right, this is second A, second B and second C. The highest marks in second A is, say for example, 89%. The highest marks in class B is say 93% and the highest marks in class C is say 91%. Now, the student in class B wants to know, is she or he the topper of the complete class 2? How does she will find? Will she go and ask each and every student of class A, are you greater than 93%, are you greater than 93%? No. The student will check the highest marks of class A. If 93 is greater than 89, 93 should be greater than each and every marks of the student of the class A. This is transitivity. 93 is greater than 89 and 89 is greater than each and every student here, therefore 93 is greater. Similarly for the class C, That means we are not comparing each and every student, we are comparing the maximum of that group, and if that element is maximum of that group, that element happens to be the maximum of the whole group. Now, what we do? Similarly, we take here the maximum of RHS is minus infinity. Why minus infinity? Because each and every number is greater than minus infinity. Okay. Now, you check. Now, the maximum of RHS is minus infinity. Is 2 greater than maximum of RHS which is minus infinity? Yes. That means the maximum of this set is minus infinity and 2 is greater than this set. That means 2 is greater than each element of this set. Therefore, we mark 2 as leader and we update maximum till this point is 2 and we say maximum till this point is 2. Now, do we need to compare 13 with each and every element on the RHS? No, we know that maximum is 2. We check, is 13 greater than 2? Yes sir, 13 is greater than 2 and 2 is maximum of RHS. Therefore, 13 is greater than each and every element of the RHS. Now, is 13 greater than 2? Yes, we say 13 is leader and till here we update the maximum as 13. Till here maximum is 13. Now, 2 is no longer maximum. Now, shall we compare 11 with 2 and 11 with 13? No. I compare, is 11 greater than 13? No. Therefore, there exists an greater element greater than 11 on the RHS and 11 is not a leader and we don't update maximum. Maximum till this point is till 13. Now, this set is represented by 13. Now, you compare. Will you compare 14, 11, 14, 13, 14 to? No. You compare with maximum. Is 14 greater than maximum 13? Yes, therefore 14 is leader, and till this point the set is represented by 14 and we update maximum to be 14. Similarly, is 21 greater than 14? Yes, therefore we mark 21 as leader and this complete set is now represented by 21. Is 18 greater than 21? No, therefore 18 is not a leader and the maximum till this point is 21.